blue jay, B-L-U-E-J-A-Y. C is for crow, C-R-O-W. D is for dove, D-O-V-E. E is for eagle, E-A-G-L-E. F is for falcon, F-A-L-C-O-N. G is for goldfinch, G-O-L-D-F-I-N-C-H. H is for hawk, H-A-W-K. I is for Indian peafowl, I-N-D-I-A-N-P-E-A-F-O-W-L. J is for jackdaw, J-A-C-K-D-A-W. K is for kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. L is for lark, L-A-R-K. N is for macaw, N-A-C-A-W. N is for nightingale, N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E. O is for owl, O-W-L. P is for parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T. Q is for quail, Q-U-A-I-L. R is for robin, R-O-B-I-N. S is for sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W. T is for toucan, T-O-U-C-A-N. U is for umbrella bird, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-B-I-R-D. V is for vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E. W is for woodpecker, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. X is for Xanthus hummingbird, X-A-N-T-U-S-S-H-U-M-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D. Y is for yellow